Hello everyone, my name is Sumit Gunzar. I am from BPharm final year, and on behalf of Med Institute of Pharmacy, I welcome you all in our show, new episode. We all have a dream to become more successful person in our life, but it is not so easy. It is not a straight road, as we know, and we have to do something new in our life. Everything take its own time to shine, but before that we all need to do is hard work and consistently strive to achieve our goals. So guys, in our show Jab We Met, we are going to explore some experienced pharma professionals like, and the guest will be from our very own Med family, so that we can learn from their first hand experience and also we can learn from their learnings. So guys, I welcome our beloved alumni, Mr. Akashdeep Dhanak sir from B Farm batch 2010. After graduation, he pursued his MBA in marketing and international business. After that, he also completed his post graduation diploma in logistic and material management. Sir is registered pharmacist and a complement professional with more than 7 years of experience in category management and business development for India's largest food grocery market chain like Reliance Retail and Big Bazaar. He also has an experience in key account management in modern trade for India's largest hair oil brand named Bajaj Almond Hair Oil. Also, he has an experience of working with companies like Future Retail and Bajaj Crop Limited, also Reliance Retail Limited. Sir, I'd request you to give your brief introduction to our audience.
Thank you for my introduction. As you already described, I have a 7+ year experience in category and business development management. So I was working with, I started my career with Future Retail as a senior executive, and after that, I moved on to Bajaj Corp, and now I'm currently working with Reliance Retail for last 1 year.
Thank you, sir, for your introduction. And sir, now let's start with some few questions and let's make it interactive. सर, तुम्ही तुमच्या करिअर ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह बद्दल काय सांगाल सर? म्हणजे काय तुमचं ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह आहे, ऍज आपण करिअर मध्ये काय केलं पाहिजे? व्हॉट इज युअर ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह अकॉर्डिंग टू यू?
So, currently career objective in post-COVID scenario is for me in the retail is very bright right now. So I'm looking long-term tenure with my current company as they are rapidly growing. They are taking new chains, acquiring new chains. So there are a lot of opportunities for me in Reliance Retail itself. So there are hierarchy. I want to move up in the hierarchy. Currently, I am a deputy manager for cold beverages. Then there are upper hierarchies. So I can look for that hierarchy. I am looking for that upper hierarchies in the leadership. So currently, I am in a middle management. My next role, if Reliance Retail think me and I'm get elevated, my next role will be in the senior management.
Okay, nice. So it's really nice, and I think we all should follow this. Also, we should keep our always career objective very high. सर, तुमचं काय ओपिनियन आहे अबाउट करिअर फार्मसीमध्ये आपण जे करिअर करतो किंवा पोस्ट ग्रॅज्युएशन नंतर जे आपलं करिअर असतं त्याबद्दल तुमचं ओपिनियन काय? म्हणजे मुलांनी पुढे काय केलं पाहिजे, कसं त्यांचं करिअर पुढे डेव्हलप केलं पाहिजे फार्मसी ऍज बीइंग फार्मसी?
Certainly after pharmacy there are a lot of opportunities right now because in post COVID scenario you can see the health hygiene factor is tremendously implicated in our lifestyle. Washing your hand, usage of masks suddenly increases the standard and quality of our hygiene and health system in at personal level. So that's why I think going forward in terms of career in pharmacy and paramedic branches, there will be huge opportunity for the student, and also there is e-grocery and e-pharmacy systems are coming. NetMed is there, MedPlus is there, Apollo Pharmacy. These kind of pharmacy chains are trying to, with the help of government regulations, they are trying to deliver the pharmacy and medicines to the home. So for this model, I think lots of registered pharmacies will be required, because every I think this in e-grocery and e-pharmacy chain, a registered pharmacist is a must as per government regulation, uh, for authenticating the prescription and giving the right medicine to the delivery boy. So yes, the role of pharmacist in the post-COVID scenario in going forward next 4 5 years will be huge.
Yes,
There are
yes, definitely.
there are plenty opportunities for pharmacy students.
Yes, yes, sure. Yes, sir, definitely. And what skills you think are essential for job and business in what particular student should have?
I think every organization look a honest candidate when they are seeking for a employee. They are seeking for a good, honest candidate who has attitudes, very good attitude for in terms of working. So skills, there are organizations are working hard on the skills of the employee. They are continuously engaging the top organizations like Reliance and Future Retail or Bajaj Corp, or in terms parallelly, if you go Glaxo or Johnson and Johnson, these companies, they they take a good care of their employees who have a good attitude and honesty. So they improve their skill, and it calls grassroots management. So the employee who joined at a grassroots, they wanted him to go upward in the ladder, in a leadership ladder or a decision making ladder. So they take care of a good and honest person. So it's up to you what kind of honesty or attitude you are bringing on the table for the company or the organization. So every organization look for a good and honest candidate. The skills they can uh, do in due course of time by HR involvement and on-job training. The skills can be included, but the basic criteria for every organization, they look for one good honest candidate, because I see lot so many top management, top B school, tier 1 tier 2 B school grads who lack such honesty, and they don't survive a long term tenure in uh, company. So company has to reinvest in a new candidate, and they have to start the same process from the scratch. And in meantime, if the candidate uh, want to pursue career in other organization, then it will be a huge loss for the organization. So yes, as the old people were saying that honesty and integrity is important. Yes, that still lies for this today's scenario.
What challenges do you face as a beginner when you start your career, as you were a beginner, means it's recently after passing your graduation or degree? What were challenges in front of you?
Uh, After graduation, I think I was trying to pursue both MPharm and MBA, but there was a choice for me at that time. I taken the choice to join a business administration rather than core pharmaceutical. And post that, after 2 years, my campus placement was happened in the our campus itself. So there was a pool campus at that time, MIT Management College and JDC Bitco Management College. So that was a pool campus, and I joined. I got selected at that time in Future Retail. So Future Retail was my first company, and it's a very it was my it was like a humble beginning for me. So Future Group, it's a very grassroots organization. So you have to start work from the store. So I was working at a store operation for 2 months as a management trainee. Then I moved up in the senior executive level after 2 months, and then I've given the category management role. Yes, there were a lot of things to discuss. Like I struggle a lot with interpersonal skill because I was from a very simple background. Rather say, I was not very. My interpersonal skill was not so developed. 7 year down the line, I see there was a huge difference 7 year back and now. So yes, and uh, I'll in the due course of time, the Excel, Microsoft Excel, and other systems like Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint are the very important tools in today's corporate scenario. Either you go in the marketing, or you go in operations, or you go in, I don't know about research, but in this thing, operations, logistics, and marketing, the Microsoft Excel, Word, and PowerPoint is you have to have a very good grip on these three tools. So I for first few months I struggled a lot, but with the help of YouTube and some colleagues who trained me in this on the job, and right now it's a 7 year old thing. Right now I quite say I will give 7.5 out of 10. But at the time of beginning, the Microsoft Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and the other technical things, I was not very used to operate a computer or a laptop. Yes, so now the current generation, every student has a laptop. I am assuming that, but back in 2006 7, we have a 1 hour computer lab. There are only 2 or 3 PCs dedicated to the pharmacy students. So yes, that was the only challenge: interpersonal skill and some IT skills.
Yes, yes, definitely. सर मीन्स जसं जसं जनरेशन वाढतं तसं तसं त्यांची रिक्वायरमेंट पण
Yes,
वाढते. सो
exactly. Yes,
हा
yes,
हा
exactly.
एक्झॅक्टली एक्झॅक्टली. आणि आजकालचं जनरेशन असं आहे की एव्हरी वन हॅज टू बी व्हेरी 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 अलर्ट अबाउट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक और डिजिटल मीडिया. आय
That's
आय
yes,
थिंक.
yes, yes.
येस
पूर्वी
येस येस.
म्हणायचे अक्षर ज्ञान असायला पाहिजे, आता
हा
कॉम्प्युटर
हा.
ज्ञान पण
आता
महत्वाचं आहे.
कॉम्प्युटर ज्ञान पाहिजे. बरोबर बरोबर. सर हु इज युअर रोल मॉडेल फ्रॉम करिअर पर्स्पेक्टिव्ह? जर तुम्ही करिअर ओरिएंटेड जर बोलाल तर तुमचं रोल मॉडेल कोण आहे?
I follow many good leaders on this career perspective also. Ratan Tata is one of my the role model. Then Mukesh Ambani is my role model. Kishore Biani. So all these companies. Then Rahul Bajaj. So these are my key role models. I've gone through their life stories and their biographies, and they were really hardworking guys. So you cannot just become a Tata or Ambani in one day. There is a long story, long struggle is there. What we see is the tip of the iceberg. But yes,
Yes.
these are my role models.
Okay. Sir, what was your first experience? Means when you started to give interview, first interview when you give, what was your experience like? How will you share with us?
So my first, as I told you, my first interview was in our college in itself. It was a pool campus, and it was frankly speaking, it was a very tough moment for me. I was very nervous at that time because at that time I wanted to have a job, and I wanted to prove myself. Going for an interview, cracking interview out of 63 candidates, there were only two candidates were selected at that time, and I was the fortunate one out of the two. And yes, I was nervous. My palms were sweating, and yes, I cannot explain the what kind of things were going through during that time in my mind. But it was the experience I will never forget. So, what kind of things this interview will be asked? What are their expectations? Will I able to give the answers? My CV is correct or not? If there is some spelling mistake, they will find what will happen. These kind of thoughts were going through my mind at very quick speed. But when I enter in the interview room, there were 5 or 6 people who were taking my interviews. And frankly speaking, right now, all they are these are the CEO levels, GR Venkatesh and Sumit Patra. They were the right now Reliance Retail's top management right now, who at that time taken my interview for Future Group. So yes, it was a very tough experience, but you have to go through it. You have to, unless and until you experience it, then this is not experience. So you have to experience it. So that's it. After that, I have given 2 or 3 interviews for changing my jobs, and it's now a routine for me. It's a routine. But when you give the interview at the first time, the stakes are pretty high. You have to get a job. What kind of salary negotiation will happen? What kind of interpersonal skill HR is looking for? Will they study our body language? What kind of confidence level they want? What kind of candidate they want? What kind of knowledge they are seeking from the candidates? These are the questions. So yes, that was the experience.
Yes. Sure, sir. We will always keep in mind. म्हणजे आपल्याला एक्सपिरियन्स घेतल्याशिवाय पुढचं अनुभव येत नाही.
Yes, बरोबर. तुम्हाला म्हणजे प्रयोग करूनच बघायला लागतो. एक्सपिरियन्स घ्यायला लागतो त्याशिवाय. पाण्यात उडी मारल्याशिवाय म्हणजे पाण्यात उडी मारल्यावर हातपाय मारल्याशिवाय नाही तर तुम्ही यू विल ड्राउन युअरसेल्फ.
Yes. Sir, according to you, what is benefit of teamwork? म्हणजे काय तुमचं ओपिनियन आहे टीमवर्क बद्दल?
Yes, teamwork. You see, every organization is not built by one person. Organization itself, the spelling itself is organized. Is organized of multiple peoples. Multiple people, multiple systems come together, and then the organization stands. So it's definitely a big team, and there is a leader, and there are vision, mission, values of that organization. So as a team, you have to follow the team spirit. You have to follow the vision, mission, and values of the company. This is very important in the corporate culture. So as you see, many a times I forgot to tell you, but when I was giving the interview for Bajaj Corp, my second shift in the career, the interviewer asked me, did you go through our vision, mission, values? So fortunately at that time I have given a look at their website, and every website of the corporate organization today has their vision, mission, values. So that the purpose of that thing is, when you are joining as a team player. Okay. So you are joining as a team player. So they are expecting you to behave like a team player. They are expecting you to honor the spirit of the team, and they are expecting you to perform as a team player. So yes, part of the team. First, you have to understand you are part of the team. You are not a lone ranger there. So it's team spirit and team management is very key things HR and senior leadership look after when they are seeing one candidate. If there are options in front of them, 2 candidates, and one is not very good at team management and team spirit, they will elevate the other guy who has a little better team spirit and team management skills. So certainly in the elevation in career ladder, so team management and team spirit plays a big role.
Yes, sir. How do you manage to keep your all teammates working together with you?
Very good question. So there are, as we see, there are many personalities. So that's where interpersonal skills comes and play a very big part in corporate life. So you have to manage team player, You have to manage their temperaments. You have to manage their ifs and nos. So yes, uh, when you start managing a human being, you will become a good team manager, team leader. So you have to first understand that yes, the other person in your team is a human being, and he has certain needs, and you have to make him realize that your team leader is working for you, is working for your benefit. Then only he will accept you as a true leader. Otherwise he will not accept.
Yes.
So you don't have to become a boss, you have to become a leader. That is the
Yes.
key to drive a good team, and the cohesion between team will become stronger and stronger the more they believe in their leader. Otherwise, why people, the today's cricket generation era, salute so much to MS Dhoni. You know, the
Yes.
basic reason behind that, he is the main cohesion part. He was the leader who is was uh, leading from the front. Many a times we see, we know how memorable it was in April, 2nd April 2011 when he hit the six.
Yes. Yes.
So
In what co-curricular or extracurricular activities you have participated during your college life, and what are your achievements?
uh, so I was in a part of cricket team, but I was a very lousy player. So I was not part of playing 11, frankly speaking. There were many better players than me at that time. Jagannath Rane, Yogesh Mohite, then Rahul Wadhwa. They are the at that time they were a pretty good cricketer. Then after for apart from cricket, I joined in poster competition in which I won with Badri Narayan Chaudhary was my partner at that time. And
Yes.
poster competition was one, and there were one or two uh, traditional events which we went for some other colleges. So yes, but the my key achievement was the poster competition at that time. At that time, this the uh, subject of that poster competition was, I think, violence and war. On that theme, we have won this poster competition.
Yes. 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 We should have such experience during our life. We come to know how to deal with that. Right.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes. Sir, can you share your best memories, means which you know little bit with
Memories,
us?
there are a lot of memories. I can write a book if time permits me.
Few, sir,
Surse
few.
ma'am, Surse ma'am, very well, they know how notorious we were at the time of the college. And at the time there was a little bit of, you know, you say, we were notorious. Definitely, we were notorious, and we were having a very good and bad repo at the same time. So, Sonone sir, in the analytical chemistry lab, we
Yes.
used to have a very fun. Then at that time was Parag Gide sir was there, our principal, and they captured me and Ketan Thorat red-handed one time while we were skipping the class, and that scene was a memorial. And I think then Thomre ma'am,
Yes.
every uh, practical we used to do, it was a memorable thing. The cohesion between the every batch we have was super. Matlab, it was undescribed in the word. So at the time, Bulbule ma'am was also there. So yes, Bulbule ma'am, we had a very great memories of her as well.
Yes. Yes. We are also having such a kind of experiences during
Yes, yes, it's a
college.
part. It's a part of
Yes.
the
Yes.
life. You have
Yes.
to,
Yes.
म्हणजे म्हणतात ना मराठीत, हसा खेळा पण शिस्त पाळा. आम्ही कधी
शिस्त
कधी
बाळा,
नाही शिस्त
बरोबर.
पाळली, पण पण ठीक आहे. We did well in our academics, and Surse ma'am knows, Thomre ma'am knows. Yes.
येस ऑन युअर बेस्ट मेमरीज, जे ह्या तुमच्या ज्या मेमरीजचं जे कलेक्शन आहे, थोडं याच्यात आपण अजून थोडा फन आणूयात. वी वी हॅव सम ऑफ रॅपिड फायर क्वेश्चन्स टू यू, in
Okay.
which you have to answer this question just in one word, or you can take at least 1 minute, not more than that. Quickly you have
Okay.
to give this answer. Yes, so shall
Okay.
we start? Are you ready?
Yes. Yes. Go ahead.
Yes. First question, what do you love about yourself?
I love about myself that I just love. There is no reason for loving.
Describe yourself in 3 words.
Passionate, perfectionist, and hungry.
What is your dream job?
My dream job is I don't. I didn't think of any dream job. I
Okay,
just do
it's
the
fine.
work.
Yes, yes. What is the first thing that you notice in a person when you meet him or her first time?
I seek for the honesty.
Okay. What is one thing that you have always wanted to do?
I wanted to excel in whatever the task I take in my hand.
Your first research project in our college.
Alpha coprotoxin,
Your all-time favorite subject in college.
medicinal chemistry. Thanks to Rushi Patel sir.
Yes. Tortora or Tripathi?
Tortora.
Okay. Your means best
I'll rather say
or
Morrison and Guide.
okay. Uh, for any funny incidents during practical times, and you have caught red-handed in that, which is very funny.
Many times, many times.
One.
At the time where Sonone sir was there in analytical chemistry lab, and we were trying to. I am not able to recollect the exact thing, but the color of the apparatus should be pink after dropping some this thing, and it shouldn't be dark pink. It should be
Yes.
faint pink. Yes,
Yes.
and that's where the fun happens at our lab. And the sarcastic tone of Sonone sir at that time. He used to call me by my surname, and it was a very funny thing.
Yes. फ्रेंड्स टिफिन और हॉस्टेलाइट फूड, म्हणजे कॉलेजच्या वेळेस ब्रेकमध्ये ज्यावेळेस आपण मित्रांसोबत टिफिन खातो, त्यावेळेस फ्रेंड्सचा टिफिन प्रेफर
फ्रेंड्स
करायचे
टिफिन
की गुपचूप
ऑलवेज
गुपचूप
ऑलवेज.
हॉस्टेलचं?
नाही नाही,
येस.
तेव्हा आपलं हॉस्टेल पण एवढं म्हणजे जस्ट स्टार्ट होतं. आमची सेकंड इयर नंतर हॉस्टेल फुल फ्लेज मध्ये सुरू झालं, कारण की विद्यार्थी पण नव्हते तोपर्यंत. आम्ही बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स टिफिन होती.
ओके. व्हॉट डू यू थिंक की ज्यावेळेस तुमची एखादी म्हणजे कॉलेज जेव्हा स्टार्ट असतं, एक आपली फेवरेट प्लेस असते, तशी तुमची कॉलेजमधली एखादी फेवरेट प्लेस की जिथे तुम्ही नेहमी बसायचे फ्रेंड्स सोबत किंवा एकटे, अशी कुठली प्लेस तुम्हाला आठवते कॉलेजमधली?
कॉलेजमध्ये आमची तशी फेवरेट प्लेस म्हणजे सेकंड फ्लोअर. आता आय डोंट नो स्ट्रक्चर कसं आहे कॉलेजचं. तेव्हा कन्स्ट्रक्शन चालू होतं आणि सेकंड फ्लोअरचं काम जस्ट चालू होतं. सो वी वर म्हणजे बॉईज कॉमन रूमच्या वरती एक रूम होती, तिथं आम्ही बसायचो सगळे मुलं.
Thank you, sir, for making this round such a fun. I hope from this short rapid fire round, your memories with our college, with your friends, have got little bit refreshed. Yes,
It
am
is
I right?
always refreshed, yeah. Yes, it is always refreshed. I'm constantly in touch with all my friends and all our teaching staff and non-staff also.
Yes. Moving towards our conclusion towards today's talk, any message you would like to give to our pharma aspirants or your juniors from your side?
So from the starting of this session itself, I am telling honesty and integrity is the must. Honesty, integrity, and attitude. So these three things matter the most. You can develop the skills later, but if you don't have honesty, integrity, and attitude, there is no one to help you.
Definitely, definitely. And my last question to you is, what is the best part of our institute, and how do you think our institute stands out from other institutes?
The best part of our institute is the core pillars of our institute, like Surse ma'am, Thomre ma'am, Rishi Patak sir, Sonone sir. I don't know Bambre sir is still there or not, but these are the teaching professionals who are carrying this institute on their shoulder. Teaching the student and molding it into professional or an employee or a entrepreneur is a big task. They are making the future of our country. They are making future of many families. You don't even realize that they are making future of you guys and your dependents. So yes, there are the core strong standing pillars of our institute, and I salute them. I respect them a lot.
Yes, definitely, definitely. Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your experience with us. It
Thank
will
you too.
really, really helpful for everyone to build their future, and we will definitely prove to be useful while we pave to our careers. Your kind presence in our show, today's show, has encouraged us a lot and made us more confident in our struggling life. And definitely we will try to develop us, and we will try to implement all the things which I have explained today, uh, which your experience you have also shared. We will definitely try to implement it. And it was a great pleasure for me to host you on our today's show. Thank you, sir, for giving your suggestions and sparing time with us today. We hope that this kindness and cooperation will remain continue in our future. And I hope our viewers also had watching fun with this session as much as we had while talking.